So leave the top kind of long, just keep growing it out a little bit.
Okay.
And then on the sides, I want to do a 1, like a high fade. So I kind of want to change that and just go up and to the side instead.
Gordon Hayward mixing it up down low.
You get in Hayward, you get a complete offensive player. He is that, and he's getting better.
Anytime one of our guys go down, it hurts a lot.
Daddy's always happy.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Joe, and today I'm getting a haircut with Gordon Hayward, who plays basketball for the Boston Celtics. And I think the best way to start is a little bit on how this even is happening right now.
Basically, my wife is originally the one who kind of...
A lot of this goes back to your wife.
Yeah, a lot of it does go back to her. I have to throw her some props, but she's the one that got me, you know, a first salon type haircut. A lot of people don't realize it, but NBA players, we have a lot of free time. And sometimes, you know, you're on YouTube and you kind of get down the rabbit hole, and I think you were one of the first ones that popped up.
Because when you type in men's hair, it's usually BluMaan that pops up.
Yeah, you were definitely one of the first ones that popped up. Plus you looked like you had all your stuff together. You got great hair. Side note, my wife went to cosmetology school, and she's really good at it. And sometimes she styles my hair for me.
Right, okay.
And every time she does it, it's always better
than when
I do it. But anyways, I needed to learn because like my wife wasn't going with me everywhere. So that's where your videos come in. I'm sitting there in the hotel room with my laptop up, hair dryer in one hand.
Do you kind of watch it through
watching the video
right,
at the same time, yeah, trying to figure it out. It's not like you're worried about how you look, but when you are noticing how you look and you make yourself look good and you look better, like people notice it as well. It gives you a sense of confidence. Like, I think it's a good thing.
Before you got that haircut, that kind of made you pay more attention to your look. What did you think about your look?
Yeah, honestly, I did not care or think about it at all. Because I think I was just focused on basketball, and like I was a person that played sports, every sport you could play, and we were constantly going from one sport to the next, and so there was there wasn't time for me to ever, you know, worry about that type of stuff. The dress is, again, that one's big time on my wife. You're sensing a common theme here, yeah. Before I met her, I was basically wearing all like Utah Jazz gear, like team stuff that I got for free. But then she kind of helped me see, like, if you take care of the way that you look, like I said, you know, you'll feel better, you get some confidence, and I wouldn't say that I'm like super into fashion.
Right.
There are a lot of NBA players that are. The hair for me is the one that has always been key.
Is there any occasion where you would suit up?
So during the playoffs, I like to suit up. So like for every game that we played in the playoffs last year, I wore a different suit.
Do you have to get your suits custom made?
I could probably find something in the store. Like, it's better to get it, you know, tailor made, just so it fits you better. So
talking about your height, like, how does that affect your clothes shopping? Are you more limited?
It sucks.
Yeah.
Dude, that's miserable. Like, being tall is good for basketball. It's good for like, what'd you say? Getting chicks. Other than those two things,
he's married.
There's really not much else it's good for. Like, shopping is, you can't find stuff for me in stores.
But here's what happened 5 minutes and 15 seconds into this game on the attempted alley-oop pass backdoor. And as Kristen Ledlow reported, a broken left ankle is the early diagnosis on Gordon Hayward.
Have you confirmed yet that you're playing, or?
Yeah, so we're starting the season here at the end of the month. I'll be 100% by then.
Okay.
Last year was definitely a tough year. Just moved to Boston, changed teams, first game of the year, out for the season. These guys here saw me, I came in one time with a big cast, then I came in with the boot, then I came in with the brace.
Okay.
Then I came in just normal, but still couldn't play. Yeah, you can see some of the scars. For how gruesome of a fall it was and everything that happened, like, very thankful for all the doctors and stuff. Like,
right.
It's amazing what they can do. Not only just get me like walking again and running again, but like being an elite athlete again. Like, that's...
How are you feeling now?
Feeling good. It was weird because like I moved teams, basically go across the country, you know, like I'm really excited to join this team. Like I chose to come here, and then I'm out and I can't play. So this is almost like 2 years waiting. Like I waited a whole year.
So did you train as hard as you would have if this injury didn't happen?
I mean, I trained probably 3 times as hard.
Right, okay.
Because when you're hurt, you have to train so hard to just get back to where you were. Yeah. And then you have to try to train to kind of improve that.
So you feeling fully ready for this upcoming season?
Fully ready.
Yeah, that's
feel good.
Good
yeah,
to hear.
I feel good. It'll be a good year for us. We met through mutual friends at a July 4th party.
Right.
Met in 2013, married in 2014, dog in 2014, baby 2015, baby 2016. Wow. Another girl on the way. Hashtag daddy's always happy. Did you watch the video?
I did, yeah. But yeah, 4 girls and you, huh?
That's right. My dog is a boy, so I have him on my side, but he turns on me all the time.
You trying to get a boy in there?
I am desperately trying to get a boy in there, but 3 girls is a lot to deal with, so.
I guess it's a bit of a gamble for number 4.
It is a gamble.
Is Daddy happy?
Daddy's always happy.
Look at the balloons, say bye.
I'm gonna let you decide what you want to do, because I've never done this before.
What do you do?
He's gonna do something to my beard.
Oh.
It does look nice though. Like,
oh, it's very nice.
It looks very nice. Yeah, let's quickly go through all the guys who you've watched in the men's lifestyle. So I'll say a name. You tell me if you've seen him.
Okay.
Jake Daniels.
Yep.
Yeah.
Jake Daniels.
Yeah, that's right. He's gonna love that.
Hey guys, it's Jake Daniels here.
Jake Daniels. None for you, Jake.
No, he's always got good energy. Yeah. I like it.
Alpha M.
Seen him.
Teaching men's fashion.
Seen him.
Alex Costa.
Seen him.
Dre Drexler.
Seen him.
Jordan O'Brien, Gentleman's Cove.
Yes, I've seen him. Slick hair.
Slick hair, seen him. Cameron Cretney.
Cameron, yep. Everyday man.
Everyday man.
You know, in fact, before I got your guys' Monarch, I got the Dadu Dawax, but I got it from Everyday Man. He was like super high on it, and so I tried it.
How was it?
It was okay.
Yeah, I want to talk about hair products in a second, but I want to talk about Fortnite as well.
Best Fortnite player in the NBA, hands down. You're looking at him.
All right. Is that right, huh?
Actually, I'll go on to say best Fortnite player as a professional athlete.
Ooh, that's a big deal right there. That's a big statement.
In the world. I'm trying to set up like a Fortnite all athletes only, like tournament. You can only be in it if you're a pro athlete. Yeah, I've been playing video games since I can recall.
Have you played with other athletes?
Yeah, so everybody plays video games now. Like when I first got in the league, not as many people played, but now since I'm one of the older ones, like everybody plays. But they usually play like Madden or 2K. They'll play FIFA or Fortnite. So I'll play with some of the teammates, like Shemi Ojale plays, Shane plays, Nader plays, so I'll play with some of them, like Boston Celtics teammates.
I'm in trouble here. Just putting the baby on right now.
All right, who we got? Yeah, so Steven Adams there with the longer hair.
I like it. What are we rating it out of? I like it because it's hard to pull off the whole long hair ponytail look. Oh, Jeremy Lin. I don't know if I'm rolling with that one as much as I'm rolling with the braids. I like the dreads.
I like the, I don't know what you call it, they look like Cheetos.
The twists.
Yeah, the twist.
Oh, there's old
there
G right there, look at that.
Yeah, so that's the before and after.
There's the before and after right there. Look at that. See, look at the left. That's like baby face G.
What age are you there?
I mean, I was probably 20 years old right there.
I mean, I've always loved YouTube. That was always my source of entertainment.
Who are your favorite creators?
I mean, I like PewDiePie's style of content now. Do you watch PewDiePie at all?
Like I was watching a couple of videos, I was like, this is stupid. No offense to him. You should cut that part out, but like.
The thing
you
is,
ever watch this stuff?
No,
he's just comments on other videos, right? Like that's what he does?
That's kind of what he's turned into. But that's like there's a lot of layers to his content that the more you watch, the more you pick up on little like inside jokes that he continually builds on. Like so, it is one of these things where I think he's a really good example of targeting his specific audience and in a way where they kind of know what he's talking about. But if you've never watched his videos, it doesn't really make any sense. A little bit.
Yeah, I can feel that. So right now, go-to hair products are BluMaan hair products.
Oh yeah? Not even scripted. That's what I like.
No, they really are though. Like I tried, to be brutally honest, I've tried a lot of different products and have found some success with some, but have really liked the Monarch product. Has been the one that I like because it's just very easy to use. I feel like it's got pretty good hold for how light it feels in my hair. I'll usually do some original to pre-style it. Never used it post.
Yeah, you don't need to.
And then I'd finish it with the Monarch.
This is Titletown here in Boston. What made you pick Titletown?
So my wife found Josh over Instagram, and my man Josh drove over to my house at 6 in the morning to give me a haircut before the press conference, and felt like he did a great job. So I came over to his shop. Like I like the fact that he was able to come to my house, but more than anything, I like going to the barbershop. Like for me, it's like the experience of going, talking with Josh, saying what's up to Cisco, some of the other guys. It's like an experience that you get to have, and they have a great vibe here, chill vibe, and
I mean, I've enjoyed it. It's my first time in Boston, but yeah, first time here. It's been really good.
This year we're gonna have to live up to the name, Titletown. Bring a title to the city.
This has been great. It's been great sitting down, getting a haircut together. Thanks for, letting this opportunity happen. We are here in Titletown Barbershop. This is where Gordon goes to get his haircut. If you guys want to check them out, I've got them linked down below. And before we finish off, is there anything you want to tell the people?
Yeah, man, just want to thank you for coming through. This was really cool to kind of meet you in person, watch so many of your videos, and just want to tell the fans, be ready for the season. It's going to be a great season for us, so looking forward to it.
Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out Gordon. We've got his social media stuff up here. Check him out. His season's starting in a couple weeks, right?
That's right.
With that said, see everybody next time.